What's up? Welcome to my channel where we overthink about everything and laugh about it later. And today I want to address that by talking about something serious: anxiety. Do you ever feel like anxiety is trying to get the best of you? Since I got back home after graduating college, I've just been taking it easy. But I quickly realized how easy it is to fall into bad habits that allow anxiety to creep into my life. I picked up habits like aimlessly scrolling through social media for hours, binge watching movies, and eating everything I can get my hands on in the fridge. All that changes now. I want to show you some of the ways that I fight anxiety from creeping into my life. By implementing these tips, I found that I'm more proactive and feel better overall. In the end, I hope this video inspires you to pick up good habits and be a little more proactive with your life. Upkeep and maintenance. Having small habits like taking regular showers, having a skincare routine, or getting a fresh haircut will not only leave you looking better, smelling better, but also feeling better. Now that I've taken care of my basic hygiene, I feel so much better.
Yeah, my man. Yeah.
It's important to distinguish what are good habits and bad habits in our lives. For me, one bad habit was spending too much time on social media. By cutting down on my social media use, I can now focus on things that I have in my control instead of worrying about the latest trends. Another way that I declutter my mind is by having weekly Bible study and praying. I'd recommend having a regular social activity that you can participate with your friends or meet up in general. This can push you outside your comfort zone and worry less about yourself. And what works for me is studying the Bible with my friends. I personally love having Bible studies because it challenges me to think past my worries of my right now and focus on things above. The word is also deeply assuring to me as it confirms who I am, that I shouldn't be anxious about anything, but I should pray instead. And to put my trust in Jesus because He's never let me down. Writing music. I've always loved music since I can remember, and something that I've recently picked up is writing songs. I have a few songs out already that were produced by my brother actually, so the link will be down in the description if you're interested in checking them out. But I think it's so therapeutic to put my emotions on a beat and share that experience with other people. So who knows, if this video gets more than 100 likes, then I will drop another song soon. Weekly mentorship calls. When I feel anxious, it's because I lack a sense of clear direction on how I can make my vision come to life. So having regular meetings or calls with a mentor are a massive help because of the accountability it offers when creating specific goals and achieving them. An added bonus to this is that it's inspiring to hear from someone that's already walked down that path or just has wisdom to share with you. Oh, hey, Mr. Bezos. Yes, hi. How are you?
Who is this?
Oh, Jeff, you don't remember me? We met the other day in, yeah, definitely not the dark web. How are you?
Wait, where was this? When did we meet?
Oh, Jeff, you have jokes. Anyways, I was hoping that, you could mentor me and, help me get $1 million, maybe even $1 billion?
I really don't know who this is, but you have a great day. Don't call again.
Spend time in nature. Spending more time outside and going out on walks has been a game changer for me. This also reduces our stress hormones whilst also boosting our endorphins and dopamine levels. So you're almost always guaranteed to feel great after journaling. I'm a big advocate for journaling, and everyone has their own reason why you should do it. I would highly recommend journaling to put your thoughts out of your head and onto a paper. There are many forms and styles of journaling, so I'd recommend researching and choosing one that works for you. Personally, I journal to clear my head and straighten my thoughts. So this is my journal. I've had it for a little over a year now, and even though I've been trying to get more consistent with it, I feel like when I do journal, I gain so much clarity. I usually just write stuff that happens during my day, a gratitude list, or a set of goals that I want to accomplish that day, that week, that month. And it just helps me stay focused as well. I think journaling helps with having that vision put into paper, and I think that's so important to have. Also, I think it's important to remember that when you're starting something new, especially trying to build a new habit, try to keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid, or KISS for short, is an acronym that has saved me from falling into my perfectionistic nature and just get started on whatever project or habit I'm trying to build. So make sure you don't put too much pressure on yourself when you're just getting started. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch another one, a similar video like this will be this video right here. And yeah, comment down below on some ways that you fight anxiety. Until next time, show love and be the light.